Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired high-level meetings about prevailing coronavirus situation in the country and oxygen supply shortage on Friday. Modi spoke with chief ministers of 10 states with the most number of COVID-19 cases and assured them of best efforts in sufficient oxygen supply. India reported the world's highest daily tally of coronavirus infections for a second day on Friday, surpassing 330,000 new cases as it struggles with a health system overwhelmed by patients and plagued by accidents.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday held a meeting with chief ministers of 10 states with the most number of COVID-19 cases. The meeting via video conferencing comes amid a huge daily surge in coronavirus cases, which has now clocked over 300,000 in the country. Prime Minister Modi assured the chief ministers of best efforts in sufficient oxygen supply. Daily infections hit 332,730 on Friday, up from 314,835 the previous day, when India set a new record, surpassing one set by United States in January. States like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala are badly affected during the second wave. Several hospitals in capital New Delhi, Mumbai are facing an acute shortage of oxygen, which is essential in the treatment of COVID-19. The government is working hard for better coordination between states, hospitals and suppliers of oxygen and vaccines to meet the demand. The Prime Minister also held a meeting with the country's leading oxygen suppliers on Friday.
नहीं गैस की तो किल्लत है, लिक्विड है नहीं मेरे पास और हम यहाँ पे बलरामपुर लोक बंधु के अलावा हम किसी को नहीं दे रहे हैं।
जो पहले प्राइवेट लोग अपना छोटा सिलेंडर या खुद लेने आते थे तो अब क्या उनको मना कर दिया गया?
उनको मना कर दिया गया शासन की तरफ से कि आप सिर्फ बलरामपुर और लोक बंधु को दीजिए बस।
Medical oxygen and beds have become scarce, with major hospitals putting up notices saying they have no room for any more patients and police being deployed to secure oxygen supplies. A new, more infectious variant of the virus, in particular a double mutant variant that originated in India, may have helped accelerate the surge, experts said. India, a major producer of vaccines, has begun a vaccination campaign, but only a tiny fraction of the population has had a shot.